Hi guys, good afternoon. 4th of September 2017 and I'm back from my holidays. So I know I was getting a lot of emails and a lot of text and everything where you all were saying, where are you, where are the videos? So I know some of you are waiting. So it doesn't matter if the views are going down, it doesn't really matter. Even if you wait for my videos, it makes worth it, I really feel good about it. Thank you so much for letting me know that you all are waiting for my videos. Okay, otherwise I used to feel, only it's me who's making, and I don't know how many of you are looking forward to see my videos. Anyway, now I know there are few definitely waiting for my videos. So let's begin. I promised that I will be making some videos on GCI, but when I started making a day before I left, their server was down and I couldn't really make the videos. I was very disappointed rather, because I have promised on the YouTube and I couldn't make it. And then I thought, let me take everything, my laptop, my hotspot, everything with me. I'll try making on my trip, but where I went, even the internet wasn't too good. So I was pretty disappointed, because ever since I started on 10th of January. There was, except one day, I have never missed making YouTube videos. That's the commitment I have with you all. So anyway, this time I couldn't really help it, and I had to, just not make the videos. So anyway, it happens, of course it was weighing a lot on my mind, but then I said, forget it. Once I go back, I'll compensate completely for what we missed out. Okay. So this is Nifty today, right? So Nifty, let's go back a little bit on 31st of August. See here. Nifty took a support, right? Can you see the 10 moving average? This is taking a support. And once it took a support at 9913, it went good about 100 points from here till 10,017. Good 100 points. That's the run up it has given to you. So anytime you get an opportunity where you see a moving average taking a support, 10 moving average or 50 moving average taking a support, never miss the opportunity, right? And this is, today's Nifty, right? Nifty is falling down, right? Reason is very well. It's the, the attack by Korea. So anyway, those are geopolitical or the nuclear, or the different, war segments, which are basically, bothering Nifty. And Nifty is trying, for quite some time, Nifty is just not being able to form a solid base for itself, right? So every opportunity that it goes up slowly, but every opportunity it gets, it falls down massively. See this steep falls. See these steep falls. Every time it takes some time to go up, but when there's a fall, there's a steep fall, right? So Nifty has to form a base. Until that base is formed, Nifty will be this turbulent only. Okay, so see the massive fall that Nifty has had. Let's just analyze with respect to pivot point. These are pivot points. Fine. Now Nifty opened just at the pivot point today, right? It tried to hold itself for good 1 hour. But when it could not, it fell. It crossed the first support with great momentum, and then fell, and the next support also it's breaking with the momentum. So we don't know how much more down will it go. There is, let's see. Let's just try to analyze where can it go down to. What point can I, feel it to be falling down. So this is a point, in 15 minutes, this is 200 moving average. If it does not hold it over here, then the next stopover will come good about 20 points below from this point, 25 points below it. If it holds itself, then there may be a little bit reversal from here. 9,900 in futures could be a support zone. Fine. Now let's see. So I was looking into every day, I'm sure you all must be also getting some kind of messages from different people, and which actually talks about that buy this particular stock, this is available on a very, very reasonable pricing. So I got a alert from one of the stock which is called Comfort. It's called Comfort Trade, right? And the text precisely says that please invest in this because you know wait a second, I'll read it out. So the text says world's top broker JP Morgan taking 60% business stake of Comfort Trade Limited, right? And he says target 135 in 2 months, right? So imagine, this is how an operator is pushing this stock up. Look into its 1 day. 1 day, this is the graph, right? So the operator pushed it from here to here. From which value? 17, 18 to 13, 40 rupees. And then from 52, it fell to same point 17. See, how many days did it take to go up? 20th of February to, it went up till 17th of July. Good about 6 months it went, 5 months it went up. And how long did it take to fall down? It fell in only 10 trading sessions, it fell this much. Only in 10 trading sessions, right? This is the fall this stock has had. Every day lower circuit. Again it is being pushed every day with upper circuit. Just see here, there are only buyers, there are no sellers. Just the buyers, there are no sellers. What does this indicate? Somebody is pushing this particular stock very aggressively. Please do not fall into such traps. Look at the PE 36.38, and I want to show you some of the other stuff that they have. The sales in 2014 is 0.36 and the expenses are 0.23 crores, right? So operating profits were 0.313 crores. Then slowly the sales have grown. How much? In June 2016, 0.72 crores, 0.42 crores were expenses, 0.3 crores was the profit. Then September 2016, 0.63 crores, 0.30 expenses, 0.33 crores. December 2016, negative sales, expenses positive. How much is the total profit? Negative. In March 2017, 7.24 crores profit, sales, expenses 7.50. And what is the profit? Negative profit, right? Now look into their cash flow. Cash flow is basically from operating activity negative. And here it is positive, but the profits are only 1 crore, right? That is, total net cash flow is 1 crore. This is how their balance sheet is. Would you like to invest in a company whose net sales are only few lakhs, 36 lakhs, 39 lakhs? If you look into a shopkeeper, they do at least, if you look into a small town, shopkeeper, they do this much sales. This is a company where you want to put your hard-earned money. Why would you like to do it? I don't know, right? So do not fall into such traps. These are just the traps, okay? So anyway, so some of the stocks that I've given you people long back, they're doing extremely well. The JBMA, I gave it over here, 347, and it has gone up to 437 as well. Good 100 points up, right? Just keep sugar stocks on your radar. And one stock that I gave on 17th of July, which was IMFA. After that it fell, good 100 points, but after falling 100 points, it's gone up by 200 points. This is IMFA. I gave it on here, 18th of July. You can see breakout in IMFA, and this was the date, July 18th, when I gave it to you. So of course the timing was little incorrect. I would say it fell quite a bit, and see the kind of run up it has given after that. Okay. Now some of the stocks that I really want you people to have it on your radar are CIMMCO. is one stock. Gayatri projects I've already given. You have to wait for the right time. And once it reaches the proper time, you can enter into it. PIDILITE is another stock. I gave it to you at 832, right? It went up to 848, but today as Nifty is down, the stock is also having a downward breakout. So Nifty is good, 100 points down. Nifty is good, 100 points down. So let's see. Now let's see what lies ahead for Nifty. Where is the stopover? It's just trying to hold itself at this particular point, which is 200 SMA, 200 simple moving average. Okay. So see, stock market is the only place where you earn money in both the direction. If you know market is going up, you just buy the stock. When you know market is going down, sell the stock, and you have money in both the directions. Fine. So what I want to share, but only thing is you need to know the direction. You only need to know the direction. And that analysis, how do you analyze whether the stock is going to go up, going to go down, I'm going to teach you. Join the webinar, which is starting from 9th of September, and I'm assuring you, you will be knowing well in advance, a day before, which stock is about to have a breakout. Fine. So with this, and you've seen how my stocks have performed. You've seen how Aptic has gone up, how Delta Corp has gone up, how one of the stock that I had on my radar since yesterday, it was IGPL, which has also done very well today. Now there is a bit of profit booking coming in, but this is how these stocks have been really doing. So guys, I'm saying one thing. You all want to, everyone, each of us want to invest in stock market. Fine. But what happens? We don't want to invest ourselves. We want to just put our money and forget it. We want to take tips. We want to take, some friends' advice. We want to do everything that other persons are saying. But what I'm saying here, you need half an hour to 45 minutes every day to analyze the stocks and then invest them. I'm saying the best way to invest in stock market is through the positional trades. Even if you come across a good, according to what I teach, the technical strategies, if you come across a good stock, you can definitely invest, in future stock as well. But you must have that confidence. You must have that confidence. Okay. But for that, you have to learn. So I'm starting my webinar on 9th of September. Many people have joined. This time I'm feeling a huge excitement in everybody. And I'm also looking forward to see you all, because I feel that even if I train one person, I have saved that person from actually, having massive losses. So that I feel very responsible about it. So I'm telling you, I'm the only teacher, only person who's being a trader. I do trade, but very less. But I'm a trader who teach you stock market in the live market, right? Others will show you, on a Saturday or on a Sunday. Here I will teach you when the market is on, market is live. I'm going to teach you how and what works, in what direction will it go. Okay. So looking forward to see you all, because I feel you must learn before you invest in the stock market. I mean, everybody I talk to, they have several lakhs of losses. Several lakhs. Here it is just an investment of some 30,000 rupees plus. If you have a lakh of rupees, nothing like it. But even if you have 50,000, it's a good amount. I'm telling you, within 1 month, we will recover your money and you will be capable enough to identify good stocks and invest yourself. At least nobody will be able to fool you. You will know where you are putting your money, right? So I'm really looking forward to see you, and I'm promising you that you will feel much better. You will understand the market much better. So the now webinar starts on 9th of September, and I'm really looking forward for you all. And let's just quickly go through the Nifty. Nifty is heading down. I'm hoping that it should some kind of, some kind of a support it should experience. I'm not being able to show you here, but right now it is on a 200 moving average support. It is on a 200 moving average support. So hopefully a little bit of bounce back should come from here. See, right? So good day guys, enjoy your days, and let's meet on 9th September in the webinar. Bye.